Okay, so let's look at your activity for today. Today you are going to answer 2 questions, and they're going to both be over comparing numbers. Just as we did in the video, I'd like for you to represent the number pictorially with your place value chart and your place value discs. And you are going to write me 2 comparison symbols, so you're able to actually just fill in the blanks for these. So here's the question. Rob has read 3,210 books. Max has read 3,020 books. Who has read more books and who has read fewer books? So show me your work with your pictorial model and then fill in the blanks. The second question says, Jazz has 42,708 flowers in her backyard. Erin has 42,870 flowers in her backyard. Who has more flowers in their backyard? Who has fewer flowers in their backyard? So again, you're going to model Jazz's flowers on this side and Erin's flowers on this side. You're going to use your base 10 place value discs to help make that model. And then you're going to fill in the blank. You're going to tell me who has more flowers because what number is greater than what other number. And then who has fewer flowers than one thing because what number is less than another number. Make sure you turn your work into Google Classroom. And if you have any questions, ask your teachers. I'll see you later. Bye.